In real estate, presentation is not optional. Buyers form opinions in seconds, often before they read a single detail. One of the most overlooked tools that decides whether someone attends your open house or ignores your listings is your flyer. In this video, I'll show you how professionally designed Canva open house flyer templates can help real estate agents stand out, attract more buyers, and market listings confidently both online and offline. Real estate is a visually driven industry. Buyers expect clarity, organization, and professionalism at every touch point. When marketing materials look cluttered or inconsistent, it creates doubt. When they look clean and professional, it builds trust. This is why many agents are searching for the best tools to create open house flyers or look for professional flyers templates online. Instead of designing from scratch every time, experienced agents start with the layouts already optimized for real estate marketing. This allows them to focus on selling the property rather than worrying about the designs. Open house flyers remain one of the most effective marketing tools for realtors. They work before even the open house, during the event, and even the event ends. A professionally designed flyer helps attract walk-in traffic, reinforces listing details during showings, serve as a take-home reminder for buyers, and supports digital sharing on social media and email. When your flyer looks polished, buyer takes both the listings and the agents more seriously. Many agents ask how to design an attractive open house flyer without hiring a designer or spending hours in designing software. The simplest answer is to start with a proven template. A strong flyer highlights the property clearly, guides the reader's eye naturally, balances images and text, and avoids clutter. Designries templates already follow these principles, making it easy for agents to create professional flyers in Canva using simple drag and drop editing. Another common question realtors ask is what information should be included on an open house flyer. High performance flyers typically include the property address and price, the open house date and time, bedroom and bathroom count, and key features or upgrades, and clear agent contact details. Designries templates are structured so this information fits naturally into the layout without overwhelming the reader, keeping them everything easy to scan for the readers who want to buy this property. Many realtors prefer flyer templates that work across multiple platforms. Common formats include 8.5 by 11 inches flyer for printing postcard style layout for handouts and designs that can be shared easily on social media. Many agents also use just listed flyer variations that we as Designries offers. Designries templates are flexible, allowing on design to be reused for open houses, postcard, and online marketing. This saves time and helps maintain consistent marketing across all listings. Realtors often look for quick flyer solutions or free printable templates. While free options exist, they usually lack flexibility and branding consistency. Editable Canva templates are ideal because they save time, require no design experience, allow quick updates for new listings, and work with new free versions for Canva. All Designries templates are fully editable without requiring Canva Pro account, making them accessible to every agent. You don't need to buy any Canva subscription and also buy the templates, so you won't be spending another money for subscription. It works on free account as well. Designries was created to solve one specific problem, making real estate marketing fast, consistent, and professional. Each open house flyer template consists of 8.5 by 11 inches format, Canva-based drag and drop editing, clean modern layouts designed for realtors, and flexibility for use as open house flyers, just listers flyer, postcards, and social media graphics. Headshots and listing images are not included, so agents can easily put them on their own and include their branding by changing colors in the templates. Using the template is simple and beginner friendly. After purchasing, you download the instruction PDF and click the Canva link inside, from where you replace the placeholder text with your listing details, update your property images, adjust the colors or fonts if needed, and download the final design for print or digital use. This process allows agents to create professional flyers in minutes instead of hours, and without even hiring a designer and spending a fortune on it. So if you want your open house flyers to look professional, consistent, and ready to attract buyers, both online and offline, explore the Designries Canva templates, the open house flyer templates for real estates. The link is in the description, and customize them in minutes. Market them in your listings with confidence. Subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and on TikTok, so we can share the real estate marketing strategies with you with our Canva templates. And also, if you need help with the designing of your flyer templates while you purchase the templates, or if you have any questions, you can ask us. Or if you want us to make your templates or your flyer from scratch, we are here to help. You just need to message on our email, or even on our any of our social media. We will link down all the social media handles in the description, and let us know about how was this video in the comment, and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Thank you.